said Monday, September 16th, not Friday, September 13th. Hello, Suprtoe fans! Today we're gonna ride the F Express. So let's go! Yep, that's right. New F Express train. Wait, was he? Okay, that guy is saying some stuff. Anyway, whatever. Here we are, J Street Metrotech, going to take the F Train Express. I was informed by my fans there's an F Train Express now, and I looked it up and it says starting in September. Then that's what's happening. The F train will go express from J Street Metrotech in rush hours, which is now. It's about 5 o'clock right now. Rush hours it'll stop once at 7th Avenue and then Church Street, so it'll skip a whole bunch of stops. I wonder if it will be diamond shaped. Do you think? And they'll have to change the subway map to show the skip stop, like the J train and Z train. It's gonna look. Come on, people. Make up your minds. All right. So here we go. Trying something a little different today. Let's just do some real-time stuff and go down. Meow. That's right. We're going towards Brooklyn because this is evening rush hour. The F train's on the left there. The C train's on the right. And there's that C train, old R32, right? Yep. And there's the F train. Wow, they really decal up those F trains now, don't they? Advertisements, dollar bill. Hey, it's Cuomo, half Cuomo. Is that what they really? It's kind of silly to call it that, but anyway, there goes the R32 C train. I think I'll go back. You know what? I'm going to go back and label whatever trains I see. Wouldn't that be cool? Maybe I can learn something. Alright. Stroll down the platform. A little bit calmer. Caution. Looks like, caution. There is no kiosk here. Alright. Anyway. Here comes the F train. Nice, modern F train. Doobie-doo, no Suprtoe speed today, just casual F-train. Here we go. Okay, R160, I believe, right? Isn't that right? R1's... Is that okay? Okay, comments down below, as they say. There's R160A and R160B. Isn't that correct? What's the difference? What's the difference between the two? R160A, R160B, whatever. Well, tell me what's the difference. It's 9387. I'm sure it has something to do with the train car numbers. Yeah? Anyway. Alright. So, that is not... It said local, so that is not an express train. That is a Culver local, it says. So, we won't go on that one. Bye-bye, local. The local train. Also, I have Cuomo. I don't know. I don't actually like saying that name, Cuomo. It's kind of a half. What should I call it? What's a better name for it? I don't want to call it by somebody's name just because they painted a train and the governor painted a train, and now I have to call it that. Nah. Isn't there another name? Is there like a technical name for the blue trains, not just Cuomo's or whatever? Alright, well anyway, tracks look pretty clean. That's pretty cool. Alright. Oh well. Nothing much to do here. Waiting for another F train. Well, I guess I'll check the schedule real quick. Maybe let's see if, in 7 minutes. Really? Downtown F train in 7 minutes. Alright, well let's do a quick time lapse then. Well, that train stayed there a very long time, didn't it? Alright, well that's an A train. Mr. Suitman walking down the train platform, waiting for the F train too. Man, that A train is staying there a long time, huh? Not in any rush to go further into all the way to Queens, I guess. Alright, so we're still waiting on the F Express. Let's do this. Bye-bye, A train. Yes, Express service. Okay. He said Monday, September 16th, not Friday, September 13th. For more information, I did visit MTA info. It said in September. Didn't say the date. I just assumed doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Let's make this a train watching video. Okay, cool. So we're at J Street Metrotech. We're on the CAF platform. Maybe something cool will come by. It's rush hour, lots of trains. So let's see. Shall we? Anything. Hello. Nice shark backpack, by the way. There is another A train exactly like the A train that left before. And here comes an F train. That was an A train. A train exactly like the other A train. F train. Aha, that's something different. That's an F train. It's like an A train. It's R46. Yeah? R40, not R42. R46. R42s are something else. Alright, you guys are helping me. You know that? You guys are really pushing me to learn these trains and stuff. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put labels on everything that I can do my research. Just go to Wikipedia or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna do a whole ton of research, but yeah. Let's go in here and check out what's going on. Nope. Not going in the. It's nice to see the F train. It's not one of the modern ones, but not gonna ride it. Nope. Not gonna ride it. I came here to ride an express train, and I am not riding another F train unless it is express. I expressly state that I will only ride an F express train, and this one is local, because apparently service for the express service doesn't start until September 16th. Not today. Boo. All right, there goes an F train. You guys let me know if you like this real-time stuff, real-time train watching and train riding, because it seems like it get kind of boring kind of fast. See? Train's gone and I'm already bored. I just have to wait for another train. But it is rush hour, and I am on the Brooklyn-bound track, so another one should come shortly. J Street's they've kept it pretty nice, right? They've kept it looking pretty nice. There's a fancy schmancy C train over there. Huh. Not an R32, that's for sure. Oh, it's all shiny. Oh, I wonder if that's one of the new ones, isn't it? That's like so shiny. F train. Just like the other F trains before it. Alright. Yes. F train. You know, this is how many F trains? This is like 5 F trains now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 4. Wow. Boy, rush hour at J Street Metrotech doesn't joke around, does it? And then, oh, hey, cool, there's another R32 C train. Yeah. One of the most modern. Saw a fancy schmancy new C train, and then one of the oldest C trains comes on by. Not so shiny. 96.61 versus 39.33. That is a big difference in numbers, isn't it? And looking at the top of that girl, looks like she's been, she has been repaired a lot. Patched up. Still going strong, though. I imagine, I guess they're the open gangway cars. Oh, that's cool. The open gangway cars are gonna start next year? Okay, correct me, I don't know. But anyway, I assume they'll replace the old workhorse R32s, and then they'll just be MTA exclusive workhorses, because they are some workhorses. Boy, do they. They are amazing. They just keep going. Keep going. Alright. Here comes, we'll make this the last train. Let's see what it is. See what it is. Build up. Do it. See it. Just another. How was that anticlimactic? Yeah, F train. Same old. Da. Oh well. Anyway, let me know if you enjoyed this sort of real-time train watching thing. I know it was short, but I wasn't riding trains, so I got kind of bored. Anyway, I'll go back and put labels in, and I'll be here next week. Bye-bye. See you next week for the F Express.